In this video, we are building a case study form, super simple. We're using GHL for our whole sales funnel system, as well as our business, for our marketing, our white label software, everything. So right now we're building out a case study funnel. Case studies are extremely powerful. People love the social proof and the testimonial as well. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to jump right into it. What I hate is doing something without a plan. I like to mirror what other people are doing that are doing it more successfully than I am. So we're going to mirror what other people are doing. This will just make things a lot quicker as well. Full name, phone number. Let's do with. All right, so we're going to jump over here. Company website, upload transparent PG logo. Beautiful. Right. So this is getting back into the psychology of getting them in the pain cycle and actually thinking about all the things that we've done. So we're going to send this out after we've had, some kind of huge win. So the question is, where were you at before you started working with us? What else have you tried before? Right. So we're just in that pain cycle. We're getting to think about all of the different things. And hopefully this will be a great case study as well. So I got a lead magnet from Clear Brand. It's like the 7 questions to ask your customers to get great testimonials, because most people don't know how to do like a video testimonial or actually make a good review. So these 7 questions I'm going to put at the very bottom, and it's going to help out a lot. So I'm going to just keep going back and forth and figuring out. So I funnel hacked this from Scaling with Systems. So now we have this case study form completely done, everything from first name, phone number, main website. We're asking them for their P&G logo for their business. We've got also an uploaded professional headshot. We've got them asking them questions where they're at now and where they're going. So right now first question is, where are they at now? The revenue wise, and anything that is tangible. This is like the before and after transformation. We're asking them to upload any professional proof. We are sending this case study out as soon as we get a huge result. So the next question is, we're looking for any tangible proof. We're asking for any type of images or video of something that we can share. And then we're asking for the video questions here. And we basically give them a script on what their biggest challenges prior to joining our program. We're asking them questions for the video testimonial, what their absolute biggest challenge was prior to joining our program. How did that change make them feel? What changed after joining the program and the specific results. You can see here, you can copy this. And then it says, please add a video testimonial or upload a shared Google Drive or Dropbox link. That'll just help us save some time. It has to be in landscape, just makes it easier. And then it's asking for, do you grant permission for us to feature your company as this testimonial I got to reword that for our marketing material. They hit yes. And I put, hey, the drop down, are you interested in doing a video testimonial or a video interview? Yes, maybe, and no, I don't want to share my story and help other people. Hopefully this video will help you out with your forms. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you want to get this form, hit the comments and I will shoot it over to you as quickly as possible. And I'll talk to you in the next video.